Welcome to Stocks Power YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how to find or select multi-bagger stocks in 3 simple steps. So at the end of video I am going to tell you when to use this strategy or when to use these settings for stock selection for multi-bagger stocks. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification about next video that I will upload. So multi-bagger stock selections. There are 3 steps. We have to find it in 3 steps, simple steps. First is create charting screener. So second is run the screener and filter the stocks. And third step is select the stocks. How to select the stocks I will tell you in third step. So stay in video till last. So you will get charting link at the bottom at the description to find the multi-bagger stocks. So first step is create a charting screener. So how to create a charting screener we are going to see here. So first of all we have to put setting that stock passes all of the below filters in cash segment. This is first of all setting. So next setting is latest means daily candle. Okay, latest means daily candle close greater than latest SMA 30. Okay, this means the in daily chart the candle should close above 30 moving average. The second is the candle should be close above 50 moving average in daily chart. Third step is candle should be close above 150 moving average in daily charts. And fourth one is candle should be close above 200 EMA in daily charts. These are 4 moving averages that in daily chart the candle should close above these moving averages. So and this last one is the stock price should be about 25. Okay, the stock price should be about 25. So this is how we have to keep charting setting. So after creating a charting screener we have to run this screener. Here is button, green button, we have to run it. See here, we have to click on that, then stocks will get filtered. So we will click there. So after that the stocks got filtered. See how much stocks we have got filtered. So total 569 stocks got filtered. From 569 stocks we'll get to 4 to 5 stocks for multi-bagger stocks. Okay, so in that 4 to 5 stocks we have to select 2 to 3 stocks after seeing fundamental analysis of that stock. So below you will get to know backtesting result for multi-bagger stock selection. So we will see how to select the stock. So the third step is select the stocks. How to select the stocks? So stock selection is in 3 steps, 3 important steps we have to keep in mind while selecting the stocks. First is stock should touch 3 candles head while drawing trend lines. Second is while drawing trend lines there should be more than 18 to 20 candles in one trend line. So third step is stock should give breakout in trend lines or more 3 years high. Stock should give breakout after 4 to 5 years or in trend lines it should give breakout. So here are the stocks we have to select and see on the chart whether that stock has given breakout or not. While selecting the stock we have to see on chart that the chart setting should be of 4 month. Okay, so chart setting should be of 4 month. So first stock is Hindustan Composites Limited. So check here, this stock will see on charts. So we will see on chart Hindustan Composites Limited. We'll draw a trend line, whether it is giving breakout or not we'll see. At high we have to keep this, and chart setting should be of 4 month or weekly. So you can check here that this stock has given breakout. The candle has So check here, the candle has closed above the trend line. You can see here the candle has closed above the trend line, and the chart setting is monthly. So you can check here. So this is how we have to draw a trend line. In this trend line, the candle must be 20 candles, or more than 20 candles should be there in this trend line setting, and the candle should touch 3 heads. So here how much it is touching, we can see here it is touching 1 2 3 4 5 heads. Okay, after that it has given breakout. So you can check here, this is breakout candle. So if this candle remains closed upon this month, so you can take this in your radar, this stock. Second stock we'll see Gati Limited. Check here Gati Limited. We'll check on charts. We'll draw a trend line for Gati Limited and see whether the stock has given breakout or not. Still the stock has not given breakout. You all can see here the stock has not given breakout still, because the candle has touched only one area, and it has touched second area, and it has not given breakout about trend line. So avoid this stock. So we have to avoid this type of stocks. We will check third stock, Revati Equipment Limited. Revati Equipment Limited. Here is chart for Revati Equipment Limited. So we'll draw a trend line for this chart. It is touching only two heads. Okay, you all can see here it is touching two heads. It has not given breakout yet. So we will avoid this type of stocks. We will check a stock from Nifty 50, whether Nifty 50 stock is there or not. So we'll check best stock. So here is Tata Steel Limited. We'll check on charts on the Tata Steel Limited stock whether it has given breakout or not. So this is Tata Steel Limited stock of 1 month. So we'll draw a trend line and see whether its stock has given breakout or not. So you can see here clearly Tata Steel has given breakout. So this can be a multi-bagger stock, but we have to see last highs also. Okay, so this can be a crucial. So we'll draw a trend line with from last high and see. So this trend line is touching only one high, and the stock is at low. So we can take this stock at short term multi-bagger stocks, which will give you in short time a multi-bagger returns. So we will check next stock, but Tata Steel also, as it has not given breakout comparing the last 50 high. So we will check next stock which have given in past month the breakout to become a multi-bagger stocks, which I had selected their stocks last 2 to 3 months. So you can see here Copron Limited. Copron is pharmaceutical company, so it has given breakout. You all can see, I will draw a trend line. So you all can see the Copron Limited has touched high here, two highs and one high here, and it has given breakout at this point. So this can be a multi-bagger stocks, and it has been. So in last month I will show how I found this stock. So Copron Limited gave breakout at for short term at 40 rupees. Okay, it was at 40 rupees that time it gave breakout. See at which month it gave breakout. In July. It gave breakout in July 2020 at 40 rupees. Now it is trading at 123.55 rupees. So it gave around 100, mostly around 100 rupees in 2 to 3 months. This stock we can call as multi-bagger stock, and this is a multi-bagger stock. So it gave how much 2 3 times return. So it has went past. So it 130 at almost 100 points. It has given almost 100 points in 2 to 3 months. So this is a multi-bagger stocks. We can say in this type stocks are multi-bagger stocks. So we will see next stock. I will show next stock also that I have chosen in last July. So you can check this stock Newland Laboratory at which month it has given breakout. We can see July month. So at July month it has given breakout and it went past how many rupees check here. So it is taking here support, but it gave 12 half of the money, means it has given breakout at the price of 500 rupees. So after 500 rupees it went on making high at, check here, you can see a high 1335 high. It gave almost how much point, check, 800 points in just 2 to 3 months. 3 months, in 3 months it has given more than 800 points. So this is multi-bagger stocks. We can say this stock is multi-bagger stocks. This is how we have to find multi-bagger stocks. So I was going to tell you that we have to use this strategy at the start of the month or month ending. So you will get to know this stock has given breakout. Okay, so you will get to know that the stock has given breakout at the end of the month. So you can use this strategy at the end of the month. Otherwise this strategy will not work. So you will see, let the candle close above the trend line. Okay, so after candle closing above the trend line, check you can check the stock. This is one of the stock best stock I will tell you to refer, Hindalco Limited. So this stock has given breakout in this month. So wait till the end of this month. Wait till the end of this month. If the candle remains closed above this trend line, then you can buy this. You can buy this stock as a multi-bagger stock. It will give a good return in short time. So look the stock and keep the stock in your radar for this month ending. You can avoid Tata Steel as it has given not given breakout for long term. So you can take this Hindalco in your radar. So if you have liked the video, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification about the videos that we will upload. So all the best for your trading sessions ahead, and thank you very much.